Get your neck adjusted. Let's see how you're moving up top.
Oh, that was deep.
This one, let's see it here.
Ooh.
And I'm just going to stretch you out a couple times before we do the adjustment, so you just get to relax and take it easy. You doing okay with that tension?
Yeah, cheeks are a little tight. That's good. I got high cheekbones.
Yeah, sorry. Well, you're a good-looking guy with defined cheekbones.
Thanks. Oh.
There we go. Perfect.
Woo, boy.
So I got a new one I'll do with you. So let's have you lie on your side facing this way. I'll give you the bad boy maneuver for your middle back. Something a little different for your audience because you've never been adjusted this way.
Yeah, no.
So I'll have you interlock your fingers just like this, and you're going to put your hands right here on your side.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect. You just get to relax your head down and kind of relax. There we go.
No.
There we go.
Yeah,
All right.
it went.
Let's have you lie and face the other side. You're going to be my favorite model patient. You're going to make me look good.
Hey, you're opening everything up, man. Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Let's have you go ahead and lie face up. Actually, you're going to sit on the end here.
Yeah.
You are going to interlock your fingers just like this behind your head. I am going to come from behind you, and I'm going to put one arm through your arms, and I'm going to lean you back slowly over my thigh.
Okay.
Sometimes for very well-built people like yourself, I have got to go and adjust you a little bit differently. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, man, that was smooth.
It's smooth and easy. It shouldn't feel like I got a whale on your body.
No, like, usually it's like, boom, but you just went.
It's super easy. I let gravity do all the work for you.
Yeah, all right. Thanks.
Now you're a free man.
Thanks again, Dr. Harley.
You're welcome. My
Appreciate it.
pleasure.